Hey guys, it's Frank and Kevin from Cruising with Wheels.
Welcome to the first episode of Travel Tech Tuesday.
What? What the heck is that?
Find out after the intro.
So, what is this Travel Tech Tuesday? And I say that very slowly because it's a tongue twister.
It really is.
And the word tech is in there, which is what I consider a little above my pay grade. So,
well,
go.
As you know, I'm a techie.
Yes, I do.
I like technology.
Thank the good Lord.
Technology can make our lives easier. It can make it harder at times. But I thought it might be a nice idea to share with our subscribers.
Right.
Every so often on a Tuesday, something technology-wise that can make traveling easier, better, simpler.
Check, check, and check. I like that.
Yeah. So I have found a product for the first episode.
Oh, as in found a product means I bought something?
Yes.
Oh, God.
So let's start out, first of all, talking about what it is going to replace. Because we are actually replacing something in our travel arsenal.
Okay.
Remember, we tell our subscribers you need to build a travel arsenal of products or things that you will consistently use on your cruises
and
or
where
vacations.
tech is concerned, everything is always
It's always
evolving.
But I have to tell you, we always since we started our channel, we touted the tile.
Right.
I'm sure our subscribers are really familiar with the tile. And if you're not already a regular subscriber, we want you to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you don't ever miss any of our new videos.
Right. I like that tile.
Right.
You drop it in the luggage, you get to track it and all that. It sounded easy peasy.
And
you're
it
telling
was
me
affordable.
Yeah, right. And you're telling me there's something better?
Yes. And do you know why there's something better?
Why?
So first off, with the tile, it was revolutionary at the time when we started to get it. You would drop it in your luggage or put it on a keychain or anything that you want to be able to find.
Me?
Yeah, could put it on you or your wheelchair. Right. I might have done that. But the innate problem, there were two problems with the tile that would irritate me.
Oh.
One is it worked with Bluetooth technology, so it Bluetoothed with your phone, either Android or Apple, and it would only work within a certain range.
Oh,
so
okay.
I would say, I don't know the particular stats, and I don't want to catch heck for it, but let's say 300 feet. Okay, so you had to be relatively close to what you were looking for.
Right, whether it's your luggage or me.
Right. The second problem that I found with the tiles is they needed to be replaced.
That's right.
Remember?
It wasn't like you could pop in a new battery and get it all brand new or recharged. Once they fizzled out, that's it, in the trash.
Now, our regular subscribers know that we are a huge Apple family.
Oh, yeah, we are.
We love Apple products.
This whole house is filled with Apple.
This video is not sponsored by Apple. Our channel is not sponsored by Apple. We just feel that the products are well built,
right?
Have a long life.
Right, they do. They do. You pay a little bit more, but it is long lasting, so it ends up being worth it.
And they're very tactile.
Yes, and they
simple.
all work together, right?
And
Apple
everything
phones.
Talks to everything.
Everything talks. We've got desktops, laptops, iPads, cell phones. Yeah, we're an Apple family.
So now that you know that I'm replacing the tile,
I'm feeling better.
You're feeling a little better?
Yeah. Because obviously, if it's better than that, it's got some higher levels of, I don't know what, productivity to it. That's going to make
Yes.
our cruising, make me a little bit more comfortable. Because you know how...
Make me very
Yeah, because you know how I am. Well, I'm sitting on the plane. I'm in the window. And I am checking out there to make sure that our luggage is going up in the plane. My wheelchair is going up. And I'm like, not a trusting soul. So if this is better, I'm all for it.
So this is what I bought, and I'll try to zoom in when I edit. This is called an Apple AirTag. It's in the box right now. This is the box for it anyways. And it's about the size of a quarter.
Cool.
And I'm going to put it up on the screen right now so everyone can see it. But basically, it is a tracker. You can track anything that you put this on. Now, you might be asking, how am I going to put this on?
Right.
Or what am I going to do? Put it in your pocket? You can do anything with this thing, right?
Put it in your pocket.
The wonderful people at Apple have come up with a clever solution to how you attach this to things. Now, we ended up getting what's called the Loop. This one is brown, but it comes in a myriad of colors, as you can see by the depiction that's on your screen now. And it also, they also have a keychain. So basically, you take this little dot and put it in this little circle, and this is a luggage strap. So you can attach it to your luggage.
Like a luggage tag.
You could put it in your bag, too.
Yeah, because the other ones, we just unzipped a front part of the luggage or shoulder tote and just dropped it in.
Now, the wonderful thing about the AirTags is they have a different type of technology.
Okay.
Okay? So, first off, it works with Bluetooth, just like the Tile. Except it has an additional layer of technology that allows the AirTag to ping off of other Apple products.
Oh.
So in other words, if my AirTag is in San Francisco on a, say a bag that was lost, right? And it's in San Francisco now, and we're in New York.
Oh,
okay?
that's scary.
It will ping off the nearest Apple phone and keep pinging, and I will be able to know exactly where this AirTag is.
Right.
Okay?
As opposed to the other one that just goes so many feet and then hits the wall, and that's it.
Right.
You'll never know.
Now, the thing that you might not be asking, that I'm sure a lot of people are going to ask about, is security.
Oh,
because if it's pinging off of your phone,
Right.
Off of some stranger's phone, are they going to know whose bag this is? Are they going to know that it's being done?
Right.
No. This is a technology that is encrypted, heavily encrypted, so everybody's information is private. Nobody's going to know anything. But I will say that when you pair this product with your phone, you can put in what it is for. So in other words, we would put in Frank's shoulder bag.
Right.
Okay? So it would be named. So you can have multiples
Carry
of
on.
these.
24-inch luggage,
Right.
26-inch luggage.
Now, once you've done that, you can also have encrypted, so nobody will see it, right, except you, like your name and phone number. Because this also can be marked as lost within the Apple ecosystem. So once you find that your bag has been lost, right?
And cry.
You can go into your phone and click on that particular AirTag and say lost. And once you've done that, if somebody finds your bag and they scan your AirTag, they'll know who
this is a lost 22-inch from some people in New York.
and who to call. Yes, and who to call. Also, a big question that I'm sure our viewers are going to have is, let's say they have an Android phone.
Right.
And they don't have the Apple. Is this still going to work? Yes, it is.
Oh, cool.
Actually, for the Android users, they will go to a website. And Apple users can too. Apple users can go through the website, like if you're on your Mac or whatever.
So Apple users, we have multiple areas to look for it.
Right. Now,
That's cool. Very good, Apple.
the question that you're going to ask, I'm sure, and we might as well just get it right out in the open because I know we're going to get comments and they're going to want to know. But I'm sure that when we end this video, Frank is going to go, how much did you spend on this crap? Right? So.
Well, I see this one little box and there's one in it.
Yes, but I have to tell you, I have to tell everybody before you get excited about what I paid for it.
Okay.
The big thing, one of the big selling points, other than I can track it anywhere,
Right.
is it has a replaceable battery.
Yeah.
I think it's one of the first products that Apple put out that has a replaceable battery, and it's not something that you have to get directly from Apple. It's the C2032, which is
little flat disc battery that we use in an assortment of things here.
A myriad
of things in this house. Very common battery you can pretty much get at any grocery store or drugstore.
But Apple is selling the AirTags right now. A single AirTag is $29, so I think it's very affordable.
Okay.
If you want some more bang for your buck, like we would,
right.
You can get a 4-pack
we would.
for $99, which I think is a really good value. Now, when you're talking about the straps or the keychains, they start, I think the strap was $35 or $39. And, you know, if you get an Apple registered one, right? So it's made by Apple. They start at like $29 and go up to, well, actually, they go up to $495.
What?
And it's kind of funny because most of them.
I'm not laughing at that.
Most of them are, $29 to $35. But they do have a special edition Hermes strap that's made by Hermes but sold through Apple, and I think it retails for $495. So if you got some cash to throw around,
I'm sure that will be sold out.
maybe you got that Hermes luggage and you want the
Right?
matching.
Oh, of course.
Go for it.
Who wouldn't?
Now, the other nice thing that Apple is doing with the AirTags, because the front is plastic and the back is like a chrome, is they will engrave it.
Oh.
So you want to check that out.
Cool.
If you want some more information, specific information on
Where do they go?
They just go to our description. There is a link for the Apple, a link to the Apple website directly for the AirTags. And just snoop around if you don't believe us.
Do your homework. Wow, but you know what I say? No price is too much for peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
You know how paranoid I am about worrying about lost luggage, lost this and lost that. When you get to your cruise and you're like, you go down to baggage claim and you're like, where's our luggage?
Well, we can tell them a quick story.
Yeah, well, I remember that.
Remember New York? We were in New York City. So we were flying in for a cruise. We were going out of New York City. And as most of the viewers know, we are the first people to board the plane because of the wheelchair.
Right.
And transferring into the chair and whatever. But that means we're the last to get off the plane. And they work very quickly in New York because they want to turn over those planes. So the luggage had already gone to the carousel. We were still on the plane.
Oh, right.
Everybody had pretty much got their luggage at that point.
Picture by the time we're last off the plane, in my wheelchair, which they have to bring up from cargo.
And we have to walk a long way.
And then we have to find the elevator in the airport while everyone else is running downstairs and escalators. Then we have to get down to baggage claim. By the time we got to baggage claim...
Well, actually, the place that we were at, what they do, which I don't even think you knew, but at that particular gate that we landed, it is so far from luggage claim that everybody gets off the plane and then gets on a bus.
Oh,
And
the
then
transit.
They
through,
take
yes.
them
Yeah.
that way, but we would have had to wait for a special bus to show
No,
up.
thank
And
you.
I'm not, we're good on our own.
Get pushing. So by the time we got to the carousel, you know what? Everyone had picked up their luggage, and the remaining luggage, which was
at
us,
Lost and Found?
was at the Lost and Found office. As we're tracking it, and the carousel is already marked for the next flight coming in, with the sound going off and the baggage coming, and I'm like,
So it can be really beneficial.
Right.
Now, I was so excited that it worked
Right.
in JFK, and
Right.
these were the tiles, right?
Right.
But when we got on board, remember our luggage didn't show up.
right, we couldn't
And so I tried to
say
track
where it was.
Right, and I tried to track it, but it didn't work because we were too far away from the tile. But the AirTag, I
With
will
the
be
Apple
able to
AirTag.
do it now.
Yes, yes.
Because it'll ping off the other Apple
Right.
products.
So you won't just be relying on me sitting in the window, staring down at the conveyor belt, going, "That's us. That's us."
Now, if you're looking for some fun things to look at,
Always.
right, you can follow us on Instagram.
Oh, cool.
We're also on Twitter and Snapchat, as well as Facebook.
Right.
We have a Facebook group, or Frank has a Facebook group called Cruise Chat. What's that all about?
Oh, in Cruise Chat, it's a private group. Just type in Cruise Chat, click to join. I will pop you in, and it is it's a chat group for cruisers and non-cruisers who want to be cruisers. All cruise line members are welcome. No question is too silly, and everyone in that room is there to help
Right.
answer your questions.
The only dumb question is the question not asked.
That's right.
But until next time, we want to remind everybody to always
Travel safe.
and cruise often.